It's the Survivor Texas Rainbow and Sunshine Reunion Special. The drama's back, the cast is ready, and so are we. Now, give it up for your host, Miguel.
Okay guys, welcome everyone to Survivor Texas Rainbow and Sunshine Reunion Special! Okay, we had sun, storm, twists, and tears, but tonight we celebrate the journey, the drama, the friendship, and of course, the ultimate survivor. So let's bring out the cast one more time! Okay, so yeah, it's been a wild ride. Let's talk about those unforgettable moments. From campfires, camp life, and alliances to the wildest backstabs, okay? So, question, sinong unang gusto magsalita?
Jen.
Okay. Ano yung pinaka-toughest moment mo nung nandun ka sa Survivor?
Baka yung BBB ha? Sa daming
Alam ko na. Pinakamahirap palagi is kung sino iboboto mo.
So mahirap na. Since kasi magkaka-close. So mahirap na. Okay. So, sino next? Si Bebe parang gusto magsalita. Sa lahat, kanino ka pinaka-nagulat? Sa lahat? Nagulat. In bad in good way or in bad? Sige, good way muna. Yung hindi mo na-expect na mahina pala siya, ay na malakas pala siya, gano'n.
Sa good...
Sa lakas niya, hindi mo na-expect.
Si Maylene. Siya
Si
yung
Maylene.
ko talaga kasi na malalo.
Right.
Bukod kay Lucy siya. And then, so nagulat lang ako sa strategy ni Carla. Blindside ako dun. Yeah, kasi parang nung una kasi, syempre yung first, parang laro-laro lang, ganyan, hindi seryosohan. Tapos kung medyo gumigit na yan lang, sabihin sumpa na to. So, yun, hindi ko na paghandaan. Wala akong kalayan. So, ayun, naglag si aking girl.
Okay, let's talk about one of the greatest moment or one of the greatest play sa season na to, yung ginawa ni Carla na most of the votes are for her. Hindi ka na siya ma-out pero nilabas yung hidden title. Just let's talk about it very briefly.
Siguro meron sa akin yung immunity kasi hindi ko sila hinanap. Wala akong na maghanap. Pag talikod ko, may brown. Kinuha ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Tapos nag-CR ako, may brown na naman. Kinuha ko na naman siya. Sabi ko, baka ito yung immunity. Nung ilang games bago ko ginamit yun, kasi hindi ko nararamdaman na matatanggal ako. Pero nung time na yun, sabi nung heart ko, gamitin mo yung immunity mo kasi ikaw yung matatanggal. Kasi gagamitin ko, dalawa naman to. Yun, paggamit ko, sorry bebe, ikaw yung natanggal. Tapos sabi ko, titignan ko hanggang dulo, merging, ganyan. Hanggang sa yung aso namin kailangan ng puntahan kasi more than 13 hours nang walang kasama. Pinigay ko kay Casey yung isa kasi syempre, blood versus water, blood pa rin.
Which is nagamit niya talaga very effectively para makapasok sa top 4. Okay, sino mo gusto interview? Rolin. Si Rolin.
Si Chris, pang daming exposure.
Si Hana lang, eto. Okay, let's be real. Who here still hasn't forgiven someone?
Si Jen.
Yung OA mo.
O tamang tanong to para kay Jen.
Oo, kay Jen.
Oo, kay Jen ulit. Nung time na na-vote, natanggal ka, one of your votes came from Carl. So anong na-feel mo dun?
Nag-busy. Hindi, okay lang. Pero kasi hindi naman kami nakakapag-usap kasi yung mga, aming strategy, ganyan. Pero, syempre, hindi ko na-expect na iboboto niya ako.
Okay, so nagkapatawaran na ba kayo?
Oo naman. Hindi mo nagkagalit. Hindi naman.
Okay, alright. So may question ako para sa lahat. Taas lahat ng magkaka-alliance. First, sinong ka-alliance mo talaga? Taas kamay. Rayan, Justin, Verhel, Casey. Okay. Carla, at first, nagkaroon ka ba ng alliance? May kinausap ka?
Wala, pero nag-uusap lang kami ni Karen.
Ah, okay, Rel. Okay. Carl, meron kang solid alliance?
Wala. Sa team lang talaga.
Okay. Rolin?
Same.
Same
Kaya nga,
team.
naboto una.
Okay. Ellen? Wala ka din. Mary Rose?
Wala, pero potential sila Kat. Saka si Jen.
Si Jen.
Potential. Eh kaso di ako nakaka-receive ng chat. Di ba chat? Kaso hindi nagsisend.
May.
Sige.
Ah, sige.
Ayun, potential na alliance ko sila Kat, sila Jen, sila Carol. Kaso nga, hindi ako nakaka-receive ng chat, so hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Siguro deserve ko din na matanggal. Destiny!
Destiny. Sabi niya ni
Oo, pero
Justin.
hindi ko talaga ano na malalim. Ayun lang.
Okay. Chris, alliance.
Actually, nag-message sa akin si Kat. Correlate ko na nakita yung message ni Kat. At saka, nung before ako na-vote out, in-approach na ako ni Carla. Sabi niya, i-vote namin si Jen. Pero ako pa lang binoto yun. So, i-vote na si Jen.
Guys,
Okay.
na si ano, na si Chris.
Ah.
Kasi namin nangyari.
So, na-blindside ka, Ben? Okay. Deserve? Charot. Deserve. Kat.
Ako naman, yung solid alliance ko, si Jen. Tapos parang, ano na, message, tinatry kong i-message silang dalawa. Pero hindi naman sila nakaka-receive kaya.
That's your fate. Okay. Jen, alliance. Okay. Maylene?
Wala.
Oo nga. Kasi parang di ba? Wala pa siya ang top 4 na walang alliance. Imagine. Grabe.
Pero naniwala ako sa group namin.
Okay.
Tsaka thankful ako sa kahit sila lang yung magkaka-alliance. Nakapunta naman kami dun sa
Okay. That's
last day.
very well deserved. Okay. So, sa pagbabalik, i-announce na namin ang winner, Justin Dizon. 24 hours, 16 contestants, 1 sole survivor.
This is
Survivor Texas! Rainbow Sunshine!
24 hours, 16 contestants, 1 sole survivor.
this is
One, go.
Hi, I'm Karen from Pacquiao.
Rolling, okay.
Bakit titingin sa camera, visit ka? Kawalan nga eh. Hayop ka.
Oh, go na, go.
Visit ka.
Sinabi, one, go.
Hi, my name is Ellen and I'm gonna be your sole survivor, Texas. Napakuluan pa!
Oh, tapos, oy,
Pakilala ka na.
tayo. Meron pa akong costume.
Go.
Hi, ako si Cookie!
Voice ka.
Ilalagay ka talaga yun.
And we'll exhale until survivor failure.
Survivors ready?
Ready?
Go! Wala pa!
Uy, wala pa. Wala pa.
Survivors ready?
Ready?
Wala pa!
Wala pang go. Wala pang go.
Survivors ready?
Wala pa.
I think para kay ano to, Kevin.
No.
Kevin ba? Kevin ba?
For me.
Kevin pala ano eh.
Yung posisyon ng paa nila, nakalabas yung sa kanila, tayo nakaano, so walang ano, yung sabi, oh, kuhanin mo yon. Bloopers lang po.
3 votes Rolin, 2 votes Ellen, 1 vote left.
Kamantay tayo.
Ate mo na yan, buuin mo na. Huwag mo na buuin, upo ka na dyan. Alright, welcome back to Survivor Texas Rainbow and Sunshine. Special. Okay, so alright. you've waited long enough. It's time, Justin. The jury voted, the jury spoke, and we have our survivor, Ultimate Soul Survivor. Okay, the winner of Survivor Texas Rainbow and Sunshine and the 20,000 pesos prize is Justin. Justin, this is your prize. 20,000 pesos, winner of Survivor Texas Rainbow Sunshine. Yan lang yun. Para. Palakpakan! Okay, sige. Ano masasabi mo, Justin? Very brief lang ah.
Very brief. Finally, after 8 months, I got my prize. Well, thank you to my what they call this one, survivors. Thank you for believing me, especially yung mga juries. Well, I'm looking forward for the next season of Derby next season, and hope all the best for us, and thank you.
Winner of Survivor Texas, Rainbow and Sunshine, Justin. Okay, so hindi tayo sa backstage, sama natin lang sa fan. Anong pangalan mo?
Jasmine pa from Cavite.
Okay, so ano masasabi mo?
Grabe, di ko akalain. Jasmine for the win.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ready? Survivors ready? Wala pa.
Hey, be careful.
Stop!
Natutumba. Tamba. Woo! Ayan. Lumakda sa
Take a look on the new Sunshine Tribe. Chris was voted out last night.
Oy, si Sabi, ayan sa'yo.
Chris, naging aso.
May laso niya.
Dumapang yung likod.
May laso. Mga meron. Nakikiyak. Bakit naman magalit? Be, alam mo yung may...
Luluto lang.
Yung mga meron nakikiyak. Mga natanggal. Mga mahihinan nila lang.
Salamat. Hello, ayan, okay. But wait, we've got more. Okay? Let's talk about those standout players who stole the spotlight in other ways. Okay? First special award. The Director's Choice Award goes to the player who gave us heart, hustle, and the best confessionals. Okay. The nominees are Carla. Another nominee, Rayan. And the last nominee, Maylene. Alright. And the winner for Director's Choice Award goes to, wait lang. Okay, the winner of Director's Choice Award. You will receive a plaque, a certificate plus $500. Hindi, ano lang, small token lang, $50. Okay? Congratulations! Ikinrate your awit na nga, binis namin to based on sa criteria kung yung gano'ng katagal siya nakapaglaro, kung ano yung mga malulupit niyang plays, kung ilan na win niyang ability challenges. Congratulations, Rayan Pesino! Ano yung sabi mo rin?
Thank you. Ano ba nakalagay? Basta yun, thank you sa inyong dalawa.
Alright, do you want more? Okay, may isa pa tayong special award. Ito ang tinatawag na Voters' Choice Award. Voters' Choice Award. Okay. Nasunod yung isa. Okay, dun sa pinost kong poll, marami mo siguro mga 170. At least 170 persons yung nag-vote sa kanilang favorite. So, in no particular order, top 3 first on the list. No particular order na diba? Kasama ka, Carla. Andrew. Next nominee, Mary Rose. And, ilog please. Last but not the least, Jen. Sorry. Close fight, actually close fight. Pero yung nanalo, malayo ang agwat. So, ito. Highest number of fan votes and capturing the hearts of viewers winning the Voters' Choice Award with an impressive 39% of the total votes. Congratulations! Jen Escuero. You won $50. And message mo sa mga fans mo at bumoto sa'yo.
Seryoso. Thank you sa aming mga fans. Kasi naman kayo. Thank you.
Praktisado ka ba? Oo, nag-exercise kami. Nag-gym. Ay, ganun lang siya. Tylenol. Pag tumatanda, Tylenol.
Kaya mo siyang iganon mo siya, ganon. Para hindi siya mahulog.
Gawang yung soul survivor mo.
Mga balancing talaga.
Ano ko, ultimate.
Oh, bakit ako na naman? Ultimate man, oy, Bisaya, oy.
Long live! Akala ko.
Kasi nga, lahat ng kaaway namin, hindi ng kaaway ng mga contenders namin, titira namin isa-isa.
Ay, bastos!
Ganun siya. Kaya isa-isa. Tapos, yung mga iba ng
Alright, here are the votes. Once the vote is casted,
Ding, nakita ka dyan, Ding.
sino ang isasama mo for top 3?
I would choose
Sabihin mo na yung reason.
Verhel.
Reason na.
Reason, sorry.
Justin, sino ang isasama mo sa final 3?
I would choose Verhel.
Alright, okay. So, before we go, actually tapos na. Before we go, do you think this was the end? No! Okay, so, get ready for the next season. So, papanoorin natin trailer.
The greatest social experiment began. Survivor. Fourth floor. Survivor boys versus bitches. Survivor Charge versus Runner. Survivor Juniors versus Seniors. Survivor Al Ain Kinney versus Miguel. Survivor Texas Rainbow and Sunshine. Now, 6 seasons later, it returns. More ruthless, more intense, more unforgiving than ever before. 16 players, one title, the ultimate soul survivor. And this time, we've brought back your all-time favorite legend, Ray. Physically dominant, mentally sharp, he carried his tribe to the merge and led them to the top until fate turned on him. Now he returns with one goal: revenge. She saved herself once and sent her closest ally straight to the top 3. Her strategic plan and this season, she's here to her strength made her an early target. Now, she's back to prove that power can survive. Carol. She didn't rely on strength. She used charm, wit, and social mastery to outlast the odds. This season, she's not just here to survive. She's here to win. Strategic. She brings the She's back to finish what she started. And this time, she's not holding back. And they're not alone. And Sunshine family to challenge the legend, Ram. The world is made up of hardcore fans, ready to take down the players they once cheered for. Favorites versus the world. Who will outwit, outplay, and outlast to become the ultimate soul survivor? This is Survivor. Texas. Ross versus the world.
Alright, get ready! Okay guys, get ready for the next season Survivor Ras versus the World. Coming on February 26, new players, new tourists, no, not new players, fan players, new tourists sa Battle for Survival. So, think you've got what it takes, apply now. Wow! Okay. Alright, from all of us here at Survivor Texas Rainbow and Sunshine, thank you for joining us. Congratulations again, Justine, our special award winners, Jen, Rayan, and every cassowary who made this season unforgettable. So good night, and we'll see you next season. Okay.
You've cheered from the sidelines. Now, it's your turn to play. Face off against past players and prove you've got what it takes to outwit, outplay, and outlast. And stay till the end for tear-jerking letters from the fallen survivor. And finally, Justine will read the letter he sacrificed, giving up his own so others could read theirs.
Sabi ko nga, ang dami ko na na-attend na gantong mga pag-games, pero iba talaga yung pinakamaganda. As in.
Oo, galing nila.
Galing mo na.
Tsaka, sobrang pinagpaguran talaga nila.
Sabi ko pa, nagiinom na pala.
At sobrang
Bakit
nag-enjoy
wala ka
tayo,
ng smell?
Oo.
Ba't yung smell kasing
Anong masasabi niyo? Habang gutom na gutom.
Saya.
Masaya.
Magandang experience. One of a kind experience.
Kaya nga, sumabog ang luha. Sumabog ang emosyon. Sumabog ang araw, umulan. Pero tuloy pa din.
Wait for yours, guys. Sa end.
Galing nyo, guys. You're the best. The best memories. The best.
Sabi mong kapatid, pero wala akong message ni isa.
Wala kang nag-reply.
The best. The best. Hello.
Hi, Lily. Thank you for being so kind and helpful for us. Not just for our family, but for your nephews and nieces as well. You're a blessing in every way. I will always extend a helping hand in your own little ways. May the Lord shower you with lots of love at work and a happy mind and body because you deserve to be surrounded with beautiful people like you. I know you still have a lot of plans for your future and hoping that everything will turn out according to your plan. Because that's what you are, a very good-oriented individual. And I'm happy to see that you've reached them and you're enjoying every bit of it because you deserve it. May God bless and guide you with all your plans in the future. Love you, stay safe and healthy.
Wala ko iyak. Nakalo na ko iyak.
Alam mo kung bakit ako naiiyak? Sister of mine, we're not close growing up. I didn't expect her to give me a message. I expect my younger sister to be honest because we're closer. Growing up, we always fight with each other, itong ate ko, and then I would be praying to God, Lord, kailan ko mag-feel na ate ko siya. Kasi hindi ko na-feel na mahal niya ako. I never felt na she loved me. Kaya I didn't expect that she would give me a message because
Sabi niya, hi Ging. Ging kasi tawag sa akin, so parang lang Ging, parang dami yun. So I just want to say thanks to you for everything that you've done for us. But finally, Jamaica, nandito na daw talaga ako sa America. So I know how happy you are now and we're so happy for you. And continue pursuing your goal. I'm happy that somehow you're finally in an era of Laagol's version in which, for me, that's really a good help for our mental health in one way or another. Live life to the fullest because you never know what tomorrow holds and focus on what really matters.
Now, my sister-in-law, I want to take a moment to say thank you.
I want to take a moment to say thank you. You are more than just a sister-in-law to me. You're a cherished friend. I appreciate your kindness, your thoughtful gestures, your your help, and the love you show to me and Pa-en. Your support means a lot, and I appreciate how you've welcomed me into your family and made me feel like a part of it. You have truly touched my heart. Thank you for being you. I miss you so much. Please take care and see you soon, Dandeli. Love you.
Wow!
Sabi niya, Dear Jen, there's no other better friend than a sister. I'm so lucky to have a sister and a friend in you. Napakadami din natin pinagdaanan simula bata pa tayo. Ako na din.
Go!
Okay, hindi ko na mabasa.
Saka mabasa.
Hormone.
Simula bata pa tayo, hindi ko yun makakaya lahat kung wala ka. In all those times. There are numerous trials and challenges that we needed to face in life, pero lahat nagpasan natin because we are there for each other. I am so proud of you for what you have achieved. From pasaway na teenager na nagka-cutting classes at nagpapabasa ng motor habang nag-stroll sa lukban to a very good dedicated nurse in one of the biggest hospitals in the US. You're strong and determined, and I know that you can achieve whatever goals you have. Praying that we can travel again na kompleto while Mama still can, and Mama can still join us on our trips. I thank God for having you in my life. Thank you for loving me and also for extending your love and care to Auntie and Joaquin. Love always, Ate.
Maalaala mo kaya.
Nakakalungkot yung mga.
Go, Rolly.
Rolly.
Sunod sa akin. 10 years yung gap namin. Sunod siya sa akin. Happy birthday, Mami O. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan sa US. Mag-enjoy ka and more galak pa with the team. So, alam nila. So, miss na miss ka na namin and Mami Kay. See you soon, Sisi. We love you so much.
Yay!
At ito, mother ko naman. Hello, baby Jane. Never forget that I love you.
Baby G.
Life is filled with hard times and good times. Life will give you comfort in difficulties. Learn from everything you can. Be the man I know you can be. Take care, guys. Ito, father ko.
Naging mungo na tayo.
Remember that I am here for you and will always support you. I love you.
Yes!
Hello, Kat. Kamusta ka dyan? Palagi kang mag-iingat sa trabaho.
Bakit tumawa?
Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Maging matatag ka sa bawat araw pagsubok na dadalag sa'yo. Matupad mo sa lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang. God bless you always. Kuya Den, natin na yun. Yun lang.
Yung mama ko.
Ay, supon na pala yan.
Eh, yung mama ko, palaging online. So,
Wala lang.
okay. Hi, Jet. Jet kasi tawag sa akin. So, thank you so much for everything. Your sacrifices and efforts to help me and our family are very much appreciated. I'm grateful to have a son like you, a very generous, kind, and good son. Thank you also for extending your help to your siblings and I as children. I hope that you will be blessed mo. With good health and happy life. I love you, Dong, and I miss you. Di ba alam niyo naman na may sick yung mama ko. Nag-dialysis siya for 8 years. At yung nangyari sa kapatid ko na yung panganay, hindi ko na siya i-date kung ano yung nangyari sa kanya. Ako nag-support sa mga anak niya. Kasi unable siya. Hindi siya. So nakikita niyo ako, hindi ako mag-blame bakit ako pick up ng pick up. Kasi nga may sinusuportahan. Parang ako lang kasi hindi naman na breadwinner kasi yung mama ko retired. Ako nag-support sa medical expenses, study ng ng mga pamangkin ko, anak ko, kuya ko. Kasi yung mama ko hindi kami yung tipong pamilya na kaya nga nabigla ako. Hindi kami tipong parang vocal kami sa mga ako lahat ng gusto ng mama ko financially kasi teacher siya, 5 kaming nag-aaral. Alam ko yung pinagdaanan niya. Alam mo yung teacher namin. So doon ako namula. Bata ba ako? Sabi ko, ito na sila yung na. Kasi lagi ko silang nakikinig. Proud sila yan sinasabi. Kahit sa co-teachers niya sabi ko, itong anak ko si Jeff. Ito yung pag-asa namin. Parang doon ako namulat na parang, kailangan ko, parang naka-mindset na sa akin na anytime pwede siya. Kasi pag dahil siya ako, minsan may isa, nag-shoot ka. Pakita ba akong masaya nag-shoot pero di ba na hospital pala siya. Kaya pag uwi ko, iba yung mood ko na naman. Kailangan ko na namang tawagan. Follow up ko kung ano na yan. Kasi nag-realize sila sa akin kung ano-ano. Kung ako yung last say na person, ano yung decision mo. Mabigat sa akin. Yung papa ko na ano ito siya kasi kalaro mamatay. Lahat ng decision ako. Ako yung sige, intubate mo yan. Pang gano'n. Kasi nag-realize sila sa akin. Pag pressure ko, yung kuya ko, wala. Kasi he's not a... So, lahat ng pressure, medical, lahat. Ako, siya. So, kaya sabi ko, nililibang ko rin yung sarili ko dito. Sabi ko, kaya vocal na ako na, ano bang goal mo dito? Gusto ko yung this time naman may mag-aalaga sa akin. Kaya gusto ko yung magka-partner na ano, kasi buhay ko 2011. Ako. So, nag-decide naman ako. Yes.
Our soul survivor.